What's up, warriors? Welcome to another Bitcoin price update. As you can see, Bitcoin moved up nicely yesterday, right? We came down close to this point of control. That's why you should always front run it. If you did take this trade, right, and you take it from the low to the bottom, if you measure that, basically that was 8% to the upside, which is amazing. If you're trading with big volume, that will be a super nice profitable trade right there. Even if with a little bit you're still doing really well. Okay, so what I did is I put the Fibonacci's from the bottom to this top here. Okay, as you can see right here, right? Let me actually circle this right here. Okay, from there, as you can see, we had this resistance level of the previous value area high. Okay, we did try to break it once, we got rejected, try to break it again, we got rejected, and then we finally broke through it. And here at the negative 0.236 and negative 0.272 of the Fibonacci's, we end up getting rejected. As you can see, we did not close above it. We ended up getting rejected and we came back down. Okay, now every level to the downside is a support system on the Fibonacci's, and we can be waiting for a bounce. Okay, now it doesn't mean that we're going to bounce back up, but when you put the Fibonacci from the bottom to the top, each level down is a support system, and when you put it from the top to the bottom, every level to the upside is a resistance level. Okay, so for now, what we need to do is make sure that we do not go below these levels. This is not 4 hours right now. So what we need to do is make sure that it doesn't start closing below these candles, right? As an example, like right here, okay, and right here, and right here. Because then we're starting to create lower lows again, okay? But for right now, as you can see, we did move up, right? Bam. And then we're coming back down to see where we're going to create the lower high. If we can close above it, as you can see right now, we are getting this bounce up from this Fibonacci, which is the 0.382, which is very respected Fibonacci level. Okay, so if we can get a bounce from here and we can hopefully start moving back up and break this previous value area high and then continue moving back up and make another leg up, then we can probably see ourselves moving back up to these levels, okay, which is around that 39,800 zone, right, to that 40,000 level again. Okay, it does not mean that that's where we're gonna go, but we do have a nice highly scenario, I would say. As you can see, we did move up to the 39,276. Okay, so that is amazing. Right now we're just trying to figure out, can we go up, make this leg down, and then continue moving back up? If yes, then we can start hoping and seeing that maybe we can get back to that 40,000 level area. If we do come down to those levels, right, I mean go up to those levels, then we can start maybe seeing that 42,000 to 44,000 area again. All right, and again, if we do that, then of course we can hopefully see, the 48,000 to 50,000. The only thing I would tell you is, if we do come up to the 48,000 to 52,000 area and we do create a liquidity run, right, which means basically on a high time frame, a candle that has a long wick and close below, well, then the chances of that probably is coming back down. Okay, but if we can hopefully close above, let's say an example, that 50,000, and start maybe ranging around there and then continue moving back up, then we can probably see ourselves moving back up to the 60,000 and above. But before that, you have to understand that, right now on this chart is still bearish. Okay, this is a bearish chart still. As you can see, let me show you guys. Look, higher high, right here, boom. Then right here is a higher low, higher low, higher low, and this still right now is trying to break above it, but it's still higher low. Okay, So we need to break this trend and start closing above these candles, right? Moving back up, closing above, moving back up. Moving back down, then continue moving back up. If we can do that, then yes, we can start seeing ourselves maybe moving back up to all-time highs. Until then, though, right now, this is bearish, okay? And on the short term, we're all bullish on the long term with Bitcoin, right? But for right now, in the short term, it's a little bearish, of course, especially what's happening in the world right now, right? So that's what it is right now, my friends. I hope you enjoyed the short video, okay? Just to let you know, right now, we are right here, okay? If we move into the 1 minute, okay, as you can see, we did move up, okay? We ended up getting rejected right here, right? On these Fibonacci levels. And now we're moving back down. Can we bounce from this 0.382? If we can, then we're gonna move back up and hopefully create a higher high somewhere around this 39,800 to 40,000 area, okay? Of course, if we move up to this level right here, this is gonna be another major resistance, and hopefully we could break through that. If we do, maybe we can bounce from there, trade a little bit above it and then continue moving back up. If not, then we're going to come back down and retest these levels again. All right. So that's the short, quick little video for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure that if you're not a member, you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below, and I'll respond back to you. And I'll see you in the next video. Remember, let the profits come to you.